Let me go with the problem number 18 here. Right, let us check out here. The least number such that when it is divided by 15, 25, 35 and 45, it leaves remainder 7, 17, 27 and 37 respectively is. Right, we are supposed to find the least number. When it is divided by 15, it is divided by 15, so you are going to get the remainder 7. If it is divided by 25, we are going to get the remainder 17, divided by 35, we are going to get the remainder 27, and divided by 45, you are going to get the remainder 37. So we are supposed to find the least number. Right, to find the least number, what we need to do, we need to take the LCM of these numbers. That is the LCM of, first of all, first step is you have to take LCM of 15, 25, 35 and 45. Take LCM of this, that is 15, 25, 35 and 45. Right. So go with the 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35, 5 9s are 45. Again, now go with the 3. 3 1s are 5, I can't divide, so 7 I will keep as it is. Then 3 3s. Now go with this, that is 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 7. So now multiply this. This is 3 3s are 9 into 5 5s are 25 into 7. So 7 9s are 63 into 25. Now find the product of it, that is 63 into 25. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. 1 carry. 6 5s are 30 plus 1 is 31. Right. 2 3s are 6. 2 6 are 12. Now 5 6 plus 1 is 7. 3 plus 2 is 5 and 1. So now we got 1575. This number, this is the least number which is going to be completely divisible by 15, 25, 35 and 45. But the question is here is, so we are supposed to get, when you divide by 15 you should get 7, 17, 27 and 37. So just check out here. So 15 minus 7. So now if you subtract it here, we need to add some number here. Which number? That let us check out here. 15 minus 7, that is going to be 8. 25 minus 17, 8. 35 minus 27, 8. 45 minus 35 is 8. This 8 we need to add to this number. It is 1575 plus 1575 minus 8, right? We need to subtract here, minus 8. So when you subtract this number, so you are going to get, so the answer. So 15 minus 8 is 7, right? Then 6, right? 5 1. So 1567 is the right answer. That is 1567. When you divide by 15, you are going to get the 7 remainder. Let us check out whether it is true or not. If it is true, then all these numbers are going to be true. So 1567, let me divide it by 15. Right, 15 ones are 15. So 0, you will bring down 6. Add 0 here and 0. 15 fours are, right, 15 fours are 60. Right, then 7. So further division is not possible. So then otherwise what happens here, decimal number will come. So 15 104s are, you are going to get this, right? So 7 is the remainder. Same way it works for 25, 35, 45 also. The answer here is, so 1567, option D is the right one.